Okay, this is the first harvest for our new orchard at Quince Essential. And the first quince that we're going to be picking this year is our Van Diemen quality quince, which are very, very large, as you can see here, and weighing the trees quite down. So we want to relieve those the weight there, and this is our first pick right here. There's the first one, goes in the bag, and we'll be picking enough to harvest for our first day at the farmers market in Corvallis. We'll take off enough here to make our first production of quince spread, and we'll make them all of the same quality of the Van Diemen tree, and see how they come out, because we've never used this quality before. And as you can see, some of them are more yellow than others. We'll try to leave the ones that are still a little bit green, but the ones that are completely yellow we'll take off. And there's a few more up here. We'll probably have, with just the Van Diemen quality, we'll have enough quince to make our first batch of quince spread, which is going to go out this Saturday. So there we have it, the first harvest of our trees. Beautiful, beautiful yellow quince, ready to go from our 2015 harvest of quince. So all the best, and thanks for coming in, and thanks for watching.